Alright, so this is gonna be a little bit different video. I'm just over here in a dirt lot. Has nothing to do with the video, but so I just picked up a 335i a couple weeks ago. Been driving it. It's an awesome car. Picked it up for a pretty good deal. Manual transmission and all. I just wanted to do a quick little kind of tutorial slash walkthrough of how to get MHD tuning package. If you have a 335i or are in the BMW community like that, you probably know what that is, but it's basically just a tuning software on the Android Play Store actually. So things you'll need is just the serial cable. I'll put links for these in this description. But so you need the serial cable, you're going to need a tablet or an old Android phone. I mean, you can pick these up dirt cheap, like 50 bucks, 40 bucks. A lot of you probably just have it laying around anyway. This is the E90 335i N54. It's 07. I'll walk up to the car here just to show you kind of what's going on. It's already on and whatnot, but so here's the car. Super clean, really like the interior, silver and black on here. So I already have MHD, so I want to do the best I can to remember exactly what I did, and it's really not difficult at all, so I shouldn't really be missing any points on this. So what you got here is your serial port right here. It's a K plus D CAN. It's your CAN cable, USB. You can pick these up off Amazon, and I'll link this for like 20 bucks. So I got that. Here's your tablet, and since I got a USB, I just got a micro USB adapter. What you're gonna do here, I'm gonna try to do this best I can. I'm holding one thing here with my phone. So here's this. I'm gonna plug it into here real quick. I'm gonna try to plug this in without too much going on here. So plug this in just like that. So that's plugged in. I have this like suction mount, and I have the old iDrive that I don't care too much about. And this doesn't really block the screen, as you can see. So I'll turn this on, and yeah, there's a way better way to route these cables, but I barely got MHD, so I've been testing and whatnot. But this will make your car pretty much instantly like 400-ish horsepower. So this is the monitoring pack. You don't absolutely need this. So for the 200 bucks, it doesn't include the monitoring pack really. So I believe, I'm trying to remember pricing and whatnot. I'll link that in the description, the exact pricing. But I think it's about $150 for MHD and one map pack, which come like you choose between them. So here you're gonna have your current V7 maps and beta V8 maps. This beta V8 maps have been beta for quite a while. So I run a beta V8 map, B8 I think it was, not a V8. Oh no, it is version 8.0. So what I have, and I just send it because I mean I have quite a bit of friends with these cars. So I run this stage 2 upgraded downpipes recommended. I mean, it's a recommendation, you don't absolutely need it. And I run E30. I have a solid low pressure fuel pump. You'll definitely need an upgraded one if you're gonna run that long term. I just run E30. I have ran E50, but my clutch slips pretty hard. It's way too much low end torque. The car is brutal with literally just the E50 tune. And I'll try to include some polls on the video and whatnot of what stock versus like E30 looks like. So yeah, what you'll do when you want to download an E30 tune, and I might or may not add like a download process and whatnot at the end of this, just like me to go actually put E30 in my car, because I actually switched back to the stock map just because I had to. E is not like super close to where I live, so I had to do that. I switched back to stock, and I mean, it's super easy. You can always go back to stock. So you would click stock map, and then it takes about 2 minutes to flash. Your car would be on like accessory mode, and then it flashes in about 2 minutes, and you're boom, like there's your new map pack there. So you got your code reader. I probably got the fuel pump. I've been running E30. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but MHD will be your friend very much with this, because you can always clear your codes, and your car often will run a lot better. I know it's not a fix, so I know there's going to be people here that are going to say, oh, it's not a fix and whatnot, but honestly, it's just like, we'll reset it. It helps you troubleshoot a lot which cylinders are misfiring, because that N54 life, I know all you guys watching this that have that, you know, they're notorious for misfiring and whatnot. Change spark plugs, coil packs, injectors in next 12, pretty much good to go. I'm learning this platform pretty fast, but because that's such a well-known thing with these cars. So then if you have right here, you go to this license store, and you could get a custom license from a tuner and whatnot, and they'll send it to you. You could load it. You could do logging, your gauges layout. I'll show through that. That's just how many. Right now, here's my monitoring, and this is an extra like $70, but totally worth it. I mean, you get your AFRs, and you could customize these. Like here, my oil temperature, just because I wanted to see exactly what I'm running. You go into here, and I mean, you have all this stuff you could look at. So your fuel pressure, all that stuff. So I mean, you can monitor your car pretty well. But yeah, all you'll literally do if you want to do exactly what I did to get over 400 wheel, probably like 450 to 460 torque, I'd estimate, and right around 400 wheel. You literally just do beta V8, E30, E50. Both of them will pretty much get you there. This E50 will definitely get you in that zone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. Hopefully this video helped some of you out. Go back to here. It's called MHD Flasher N54. If you have N55 or whatnot, just look it up that. So yeah, and then you're literally just open up MHD Flasher. Takes a little bit. Boom. I'm always monitoring my stuff here for the most part, especially if I'm curious on how the car's running and whatnot. I'll load that up, and then I might head over to the E station later, record a video tonight on how that is done, the exact process of flashing the map, for those that are curious, because it honestly is super simple. You literally MHD, you download it, and I think the breakdown is like MHD is like $100, and then each map pack is like $50 or $70, or I'll have the exact numbers in the description. But if I was able to hook up here to the license store, yeah, you'll see I bought the 85 mix map pack, and you could literally do 85, 30 and whatnot on any of those. That's the one I bought. So yeah, it's honestly as simple as that. So thanks for checking out this video. If it did help you at all, or have any recommendations for videos, leave me a comment down below, give me a like, subscribe if you want. Trying to do a little more with this platform. Gonna do downpipes here extremely quickly, and probably upgraded clutch and flywheel on the way, since it slips on E50. I've been doing some research. I want to do the single mass M factory flywheel with the spec stage 3 plus, because I might have plans for like upgraded twin turbos in the future here, or single turbo kit. So we'll have to see. My friend's single turbo right now, kind of checking out his car, see how that goes. So far it pulls a little slower than I'd like, especially when this is just going to be a quick little video of the process that I do. You're going to go in here and go to the maps. I do stage 2 on E30, which is right here. This is a voiceover, by the way, so it's not 100% perfectly lined up and whatnot. I think I just clicked on the stage 7, or the version 7, not stage 7, that'd be sick. But yeah, so this is just gonna be that one, and all you're gonna do here is this map right. And then you have some settings in here. You select if you have cats and if you want burble and all the other stuff in here. But your first initial MHD right is honestly gonna take you quite a while, like 15 minutes ish. So you're gonna plug your MHD, put your car on idle, turn your headlights off, and then you're gonna write the initial flash. I just do this stock MHD, and it'll get your computer pretty much adapted to have MHD, and then your tunes after that to flash. Don't take all that long. Here's just a little clip of the vehicle on my last run that I would have got kicked out of the track, so I saved it to the very end. Ran a 12.9 and like a 2.1 60 foot, and the clutch slipped just a tad, but that's it. And thanks for watching, and see you guys later.